Sana po mag-enjoy rin po kayo.
Hello po, my name is Shamar Sofia B. Biker. Sana po manood ka ng Langit Lupa kasi nakaka-enjoy po ito.
So Sia, it's not vigor, it's vigor.
Opo.
Oh, ayan. Okay, na-correct tayo doon. Alright. Pero before we start with, question and answer, tanungin ang cast tungkol sa kanilang latest project, let's call in first, the man behind this project, Direk Roel Bayani. Direk, please share with us, Direk. Ayan.
Hello. Eto na naman tayo. Katatapos lang ng press ko natin sa Be My Ladies, sama-sama na naman tayo today. I was watching the team, the group, at saka itong buong press ko, nasisente ako. My very first show as a BUH 4 years ago, that started my whole career, was Annalisa, which of course, alam nyo nga, was very successful, and it featured kids. At because of that, nagtuloy-tuloy na yun, and now, years later, eto kung nire-revisit natin tong ganitong klase ng palabas, and I believe that sa loob ng 4 years ay mas natutunan pa namin kung paano mas pagbutihin, pagandahin, at gawing masaya ang ganitong programa. Ang ABS-CBN po ay committed, buo po ang loob at buo ang tiwala ng ABS-CBN na ang gustong panoorin sa umaga ng mga tao ay yung feel-good, good vibes na show na kinapupulutan ng values, ng aral para sa pamilya, para sa mga bata. Kaya po, dahil doon, after Be My Lady, ito naman po ang kasunod. And we're so excited to present this, and we have 2 new directors who we are launching for the first time sa sarili nilang, nag-direct na sila before,